Okay, guys, we're going to be doing Smith machine bench press. So you're going to want to find a Smith machine just like this. You're going to want to put a flat bench right under it. All right, let me go over some mechanics real quick. All right, when you grab the bar, you're going to have your hands right outside your elbows. So if you can see this, okay, my wrists are right outside my elbows, so you're kind of wide here. We're going to unhook this. As far as where to go, you're going to want to go right in the middle of your chest. Okay, push up. 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, up. Really squeeze the chest at the top. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Keep your head down as well, and drive with your heels. Okay, that is the Smith machine bench press.